When purchasing cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash, you won't be able to use Coinbase to facilitate direct transactions. Instead, you need to sign up for another exchange that lists a variety of altcoins or whatever coin you're looking to buy. In this example, we're going to go over Binance, which is an exchange that is free to sign up for, legal for US users, and easy to use. Essentially, when you sign up for Binance, you'll be able to buy other coins like Iconics, Tron, EOS, even Binance Coin, directly with your Bitcoins that you've sent over from Coinbase. In addition to that, you can browse an entire list of altcoins that's listed on the website, see what's been going on in the past 24 hours, see how much the coins are being traded. In addition to this, you can buy currencies in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, or Binance Coin. If you purchase coins in Binance Coin, the fees are smaller, but with that said, it can be a bit of a hassle to ensure that you're purchasing the right amount of BNB coin. So we only recommend this if you're doing large purchases or purchasing or selling very frequently. When you want to buy or sell a coin, you can do so by going to the exchange page, which will pull you to a live chart. You'll notice that there's a top and bottom of these little box and whisker plots. Essentially, the bottom here is the lowest offer, the top here is the highest offer, and more or less, this is some spread. It's always important to purchase your currencies using a stop limit or a limit. Essentially, what you're going to be doing if you make a market price purchase is you're going to be getting killed on spreads, and you're going to be paying this top price all the time. So, say for instance you wanted to purchase some Cardano. Simply search in the top right hand side, view what's been going on recently, and on this side of the screen you'll be able to see what the bid-ask spread is. At this point, the spread really is not that significant, so you probably could do a market order to buy some Cardano, but we highly recommend always checking the bid and the ask so that you don't get burned on a large spread. Some smaller coins will have huge spreads, and if you simply on instinct make a market purchase, you will get burned. This may not seem like a lot, but you have to keep in mind the price is in Bitcoin. So even if it's just some like thousandth of a Bitcoin, that can be all the difference between making a profit or taking a loss. So here you have it. Binance is a great way to purchase smaller cryptocurrencies. We always recommend making limit or stop limit purchases or sells. And finally, you can sign up for any exchange you want. Just be careful and check out CryptoScore's exchange guide to figure out which exchange or exchanges might be right for you.